everyone, this is Julie Petway. Next year I'll be teaching at Bernie Harris Lyons Middle School in Clark County as a 6th grade science teacher. The previous 2 years I've been teaching in Atlanta public schools, teaching science as well. As you can see from a few of the pictures, I have a 2.5-year-old who we're having just an amazing time this summer. I've enjoyed being off with him and being able to go and do some family vacations thus far. Looking back to whenever I joined Teach for America in 2016, I joined for many different reasons, but what has drawn my attention to stay in education is the fact that many things need to change, and especially teaching in Metro Atlanta, I've seen from a minority standpoint that the students are not given an equal opportunity to succeed. Whenever we're talking about diversity, and my favorite thing that I feel like I'm actually making a difference, and it may be very small right now, as in last year whenever I recommended a few of my students to be tested for gifted, and many of the teachers that I work with did not support my decision, but these students did pass the test and they're joining the program here at the upcoming year. My least favorite is that there's so much that needs to change, and I just feel like the teachers are not up for the hard work that it's going to take. I'm really looking forward to this class and learning more specifics on what we can do to help the underrepresented students in the gifted program. Thank you.